If I get a degree in law, do I need to have a career in law? No, you don't. And in this video, I show you 5 careers you can have with a law degree. Timestamps below if you want to skip to certain parts, but we're starting right now. If we've not met before, my name's Joshua, and in this channel I'm all about helping you on your educational journey. And in this video series particularly, I'm showing you what careers open up to you with certain degrees. So if you have a suggestion, leave it in the comments below, or check out my other videos, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. So the first one, let's just get it out of the way. It is working in the law industry. You might be on this video because you want to look at the alternatives, as I said, timestamps below. But yes, working in the law industry, typically as a solicitor, it could be a barrister or a paralegal. I think qualifying as a solicitor is a common route people will take. It means you can work pretty much anywhere. You could be a one-man show, you can work for a local firm, a small firm, or you can go big business. You can go big company, or even big organizations or national, like the government. A barrister is a little bit different. You tend to be self-employed and be a tenant in chambers, and you approach the law a little bit differently. But you can also be a paralegal. Now, a lot of people might hear this and think, I'm not going to study a whole law degree, just become a paralegal. There are paralegals out there who are doing a better job than those with a law degree. You can go into the management of a law firm, not strictly practicing law, but managing those who do. Law enforcement. It might be that you prefer to enforce the law. And don't think I just mean being a police officer, although there are increasing numbers of those police officers with law degrees. A law degree could help you with many careers within the police force. There's even areas where you assist the police in matters of law, such as being a police lawyer, being responsible with prosecution files. Well worth having a look around the careers website. The civil service. This might actually surprise you as one of the more common places for law graduates. Then it might surprise you further that the civil service actually has a very competitive fast track scheme for graduates. So if you are interested in working in the more behind the scenes area of government, think about identity and passport control, Ministry of Defence, things like that, then the civil service might be for you, which ultimately the civil service, it's about being in the mind of a politician and translating that for the public to use. Politics. Now, it might not be behind the scenes of government you're interested in, but more forefront politics. And if it is politics you're interested in, you might be pleased to know a lot of law graduates head into that direction, either as elected officials or people who help run the campaign. Believe it or not, there's actually a lot of laws and regulations surrounding a campaign, and your job could be to make sure that this campaign is well within the law, well within regulations, and you're not going to get your elected official into any trouble. But you might also want involvement in shaping laws of the future. You might want to start building an influence so you can help shape the world to be a better place or for how you see it to be. Lastly, HR and labour relations. I mean, if you're going to spend hours studying employment law, then you may as well get something out of it, and a career in HR might be for you. HR, ultimately, it's like that middleman between employee and employer, making sure both sides are happy and resolving situations where one side isn't happy with the other. Now, this could be protecting the company from any legal responsibilities such a situation happen, such as an accident at work which goes to court. It could be protecting the company against any risk of unlawful dismissal, making sure that everything is done by the book. Or you could be protecting the employee, helping them with any legal problems of their own, and your biggest challenge is going to be making sure that both sides are happy. And that's my 5 careers that you can do with a law degree. If you think I've missed anything else, just leave them below. I've been putting the salaries. If you think I'm out of place, let me know below as well. If you'd like me to look at top careers for a different degree choice, let me know in the comments below, but also have a look on my channel because I might have already done it. This video has been made on the back of another video where I showed you how to get involved in a degree in law. It'll be around up here if you want to see, and if you like what you see, please remember to subscribe. If you want to catch me on social media, you know where I am, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye. No, you don't. And in this, then it might surprise you.